do the room tour for $6,125. Oh, thank you. So, as always, you come right through the door. Got a nice little closet here with all the life jackets, and you can put your stroller in there. If you have kids like us, you know, not many of you do, but more closet space. You can fit 3 kids' suitcases in there.
And don't forget the elephants. There's an elephant on their bed. There's an elephant on their bed.
All that stuff can fit in there. You put your water and your pop in there whenever you get your pot.
Where's my phone go? Oh, did you find your phone? My phone? Here it is.
Carolina and Maya.
We're playing.
Got Mom lounging on the bed with an elephant.
Not a big one, but yeah, this.
Yeah. And then there's Julia taking a picture with her camera. The other bunk. TV. Room for her suitcase right there. Fridge.
I took it.
Safe.
Did you see that? Come on. Daddy.
Put your straws and your headphones there if you have them. And then the bathroom. You can hang up your swimsuits with the line. You just have to bring your own clothespins.
I got those for Mommy. I got the clothespins for Mommy.
You got them for
Christmas.
For Christmas, yeah. Well, that's pretty much it. But this is how the 6125 cabin is laid out for a family of 4, but we actually have 5 of us living in here.
I didn't get the eyes.
Oh, geez.